Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'll show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So let's begin. You want to open Instagram, and now let's go to person's profile, and as you can see here it has this following button. So you want to tap on this following button and let's select mute option, and now you want to toggle on posts, stories and also notes, and if you want you can toggle on some additional things, and from this moment you will no longer see their posts, stories or notes in your feed, but you can still visit their profile to see the content that they post whenever you want. And one benefit is that this is completely private, so Instagram will not notify this user that you muted them, and also however you will still receive direct messages in DMs from this person, of course, unless you mute their messages specifically in your DMs. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.